impacts that the Voice of God course has given to me is realizing that I can be in constant communication with God. I don't have to wait for a specific time. I can be in my daily activity and say, God, what are you trying to teach me through this right now? What do you want me to know? Or God, I need some help right now. Please direct me into this, through this certain circumstance. God has really shown up in a lot of different areas throughout the course. One of the most profound breakthroughs was during a Tuesday call when I was coached by Robin to identify certain issues in my life that went back to childhood that I didn't even realize. And the freedom from that breakthrough, where God revealed certain things to me, it's like I lost chains and healing began. And that was very emotional for me. And I'm not usually an emotional person. So it was challenging, but knowing that God was still working on issues in my past, it's an affirmation that He's invested in me. I could name numerous situations. I had a situation here thinking, okay, God, what do you want me to learn? What do I need to do to glorify you? And it's just those little issues that before I would have got mad, and now I go to Jesus first.